down, take his back. Take the back, Gage. Hooks and choke. Hooks and choke. Choke him, Gage. Choke him. Rear naked. Get that hand off you. Face him. Face him. Face him. Get on your hip and take it back. Take it back. Work your way to his back, Gage. On board. Triangle. Whichever he gives you. Triangle, Gage. Work it. Keep your weight down. Attack that arm, Gage. Attack that arm. Right there. Attack it. Attack it if he gives it to you. Gage. On board. Gage, right leg, mount him. Mount him. Mount him, Gage. Mount him. There you go. Mount him. Mount him and submit him. There you go. Get that up over here. Hold it. Focus. Pull it. Pull it, son. Pull.
Stand up, Jason. Stand up. Stand up, Jason. Stand up. Okay, never mind.
Get back to the floor.
Drop your weight.
He's dropping his pants. Let go of the rags, go. Gage, get out of there. He's losing his pants. Come on, Gage, triangle. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Make it tight. Make it tight. Lock it. Lock it.
Stand up, Jason. Stand up.
You ain't got it. You ain't got it. You ain't got it. Gage, pull him down. Gage, pull him down. Keep it locked.
Stand up. Stand up.
Keep it locked. Pull his head. Keep it locked. Arm across your chest, Gage. Like that. Now. Pull him. Squeeze. Squeeze. Pull.
Stand up.
Pull.
Get stuck in. Stuck in. Get stuck in.
Pull it. Pull.
Come on, Jason. Stand up again.
Gage, work the other way.
Stand up.
Work your hip. There you go. Work your hip out. Up, 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 up.
Take down. Take down. Come on, Jason.
Come on, Gage. Hip toss. Let's do it.
Jason, get him down. One at a time.
Forward, Gage. Forward.
Jason, running out of time.
Hold it. Hold your position. Now work. Work to the knee on belly and mount. There you go. That worked too. Straight arm lock. Gage, don't let him up. Take the back. There. Hook. Get your hook. Pull him down. Hook. Body triangle if you got to. Work. Work for position. Triangle. Work. Submit him.
Jason, don't accept.
Gage, hip. There you go. Get that guard closed, son.
Come on, buddy.
Close that guard, son.
Push his knee out the way, Jason.
Pull it tight. Keep working that guard. Keep working. Keep him in front of you. Pull. Now up. There you go. Nice. Now, Gage, now.